Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. My name is Shrishti Lepcha and I am from Darjeeling. I am a student from Salesian College, Sonada, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in BVOC Retail Management. So we the students from BVOC department have prepared a short video regarding the professional course that is being provided by Salesian College, Sonada. So I request especially the students who has recently passed out from class 12 to watch this whole video, as later on it might be very beneficial for you guys.
So this course enhances your skills and also develop your personality. This course is based on 60% practicals and 40% theory, which means you will develop your skills practically rather than just studying about it.
Bachelor of Vocational Education BVOC. Eligibility criteria. Candidates willing to take up BVOC for higher education should meet the following eligibility criteria. They have to pass 10 plus 2 from a recognized board or university. They must have obtained not less than 50% to 55% marks in aggregate in 12th standard.
Salesian College Sonada has launched for the first time skill-oriented diploma and degree courses starting with this academic session in mid-July. This skill-based program, which provides both diploma and degree possibilities, is the need of the hour to fight growing unemployment in the country. This skills-based program has 3 possible exit points, namely diploma, advanced diploma and degree. The students can take a full 3-year course with the degree, or if a student is in urgent need to start earning, he or she can leave after 1 year with diploma or after completing advanced diploma, which comprises of 2 years.
After the completion of the BVOC course or the Bachelor of Vocation course, an individual will get various job opportunities as they are skilled and they are ready to take up jobs in the various fields of their studies. Or else, if an individual want to pursue their higher studies, they can do Master in Vocation, or else they can go for MBA, that is Masters in Business.
Some of the subjects taught in retail management are overview of retailing, retail marketing, retail management perspective, customer service management, buying merchandising, store operations, human resources, principle of marketing economics, business communication, visual merchandising, sales management, customer value management, and IT application in detail.
Well, lastly, talking about its scope and features, after the completion of 3 years, you will have a degree, and further more you can take the Masters in Vocation in a particular field, which will automatically enhance your career. So basically, this course is for those people who want to develop a skill within themselves. As we all know, the modernization of marketing sector requires more of skills as compared to theory. So we hope this video was helpful for you guys, and as well as we hope that this video will help the recent passed out student from class 12 to make the right choice. Thank you.